GSTR-3B is a summary return where you declare your tax liability for the month based on the outward supplies and inward supplies. This return includes details of output tax, input tax credit, and our net GST payable for a specific period. This return is crucial because it's through GSTR-3B that you actually pay your GST dues to the government after adjusting your input tax credit. Most of the information in GSTR-3B is auto-populated from your GSTR-1, GSTR-1A and GSTR-2B, making it easier to stay accurate and compliant. Timely and correct filing of GSTR-3B keeps your tax record clean and ensures smooth business operations under GST. Every GST-registered taxpayer must file GSTR-3B regardless of the type of business. It can be filed monthly or quarterly, depending on your registration and turnover. Taxpayers registered under the composition scheme need not to file GSTR-3B. For monthly filers, GST-3B is due by the 20th of the following month. For example, the GSTR-3B for March 2025 must be filed on or before 20th April 2025. For quarterly filers, under the QRMP scheme, the return is due by the 22nd or 24th of the month following the end of the quarter, depending on the state. Accordingly, the GSTR-3B for the January to March 2025 quarter must be filed by either 22nd or 24th of April 2025. Access the www.gst.gov.in URL. The GST homepage is displayed. Log into the GST portal with valid credentials. Click the Services, Returns Dashboard option. The File Returns page is displayed. Select the financial year, quarter, and period for which you want to file the return from the drop-down list. Click the Search button. This page displays the due date of filing the returns, which the taxpayer is required to file using separate tiles in the form GSTR-3B tile. Click the Prepare Online button. Then you will see a page displaying multiple tables with pre-filled data from GSTR-1. You need to understand these tables in order to file your return accurately. Table 3.1 provides summary details of tax on outward and reverse charge inward supplies auto-populated from your GSTR-1 and GSTR-1A. Table 3.2 provides details of interstate supplies made to unregistered persons, composition taxable persons and UIN holders and tax thereon. Table 4 provides summary details of eligible ITC claimed, ITC reversals and ineligible ITC. ITC will auto-populate in Table 4A except ITC on RCM purchases from unregistered persons. Any ITC reversal must be entered manually in Table 4B and ITC on RCM from unregistered suppliers must also be filled manually in Tables 4A2 or 4A3. While Table 4D1 is used to report ITC that appears in GSTR-2B but is not eligible for credit and therefore must be reported separately as ineligible ITC. Table 5.1 provides an overview of interest and late fee for previous tax period. After reviewing all the tables, click on Save GSTR-3B button. Now, click on Proceed to Payment button. The summary of your net tax liability will be displayed on screen. The system will auto-calculate net tax payable after adjusting your ITC. Finally, you need to click on Create Challan and make payment using net banking or UPI. After making the payment, you need to come back to the same page and offset your tax liability. You need to click on Make Payment or Post Credit to Ledger button. A confirmation message will appear on screen. All you need is to click Agree and Continue. Click on Yes and your liability offset is done successfully. Now simply click on Proceed to File button. Check the verification screen. Select the authorized signatory from the drop-down list and click on File GSTR-3B with EVC or File with DSC. Verify OTP and your GSTR-3B is filed successfully. In case there is any negative liability in a tax period and no amount is payable during that tax period by the taxpayer, then such negative liability is maintained by the GST portal in Negative Liability Statement. To check the Negative Liability Statement, click on Services, Ledgers and Negative Liability Statement. Nil Form GSTR-3B for a tax period can be filed if you have not made any outward supply, do not have any reverse charge liability, do not intend to claim any input tax credit and do not have any liability for that particular tax period, do not have to pay any interest or late fee for earlier periods. Filing a nil GSTR-3B return just takes a few easy steps to stay compliant. All you need is to open the GST portal and access the returns dashboard. You can see the list of returns along with its respective status. To file a nil return, click on Prepare Online button on the GSTR-3B tile. You can review the summary pop-up and close the tab. To file nil return, scroll down the screen and click on Save GSTR-3B. You will see the notification GSTR-3B details have been saved successfully. After this, click on Proceed to Payment button in the bottom. You will be directed to the Net Tax Liability page. Here, you have to click on Make Payment, Post Credit to Ledger, then click on Agree and Continue. After this, a warning appears stating that there are no values declared in GSTR-3B, which means you are filing a nil return. Click on Yes and click on Yes again. Offset is successfully done. After marking the success message OK, there is an option to proceed to file. Click on it and tick the declaration checkbox. Enter authorized signatory and click on File GSTR-3B with EVC or DSC. Enter the OTP and click on Verify. You will receive a success message immediately. You can also see the updated status on the returns dashboard. You can file a nil form GSTR-3B through SMS also. All you need is to send an SMS to 14409 from your registered mobile number in this format: nil space 3B space GSTIN space tax period in YYYY. You will receive a 6-digit verification code on your mobile number. To confirm your filing, send another SMS to 14409 in this format: CNF 3B followed by your verification code. You will receive a confirmation message with an Acknowledgement Reference Number ARN. You can also check the status of your return on the GST portal. If you need assistance from CBIC, send the message HELP 3B to 14409.